How to mark messages unread on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Log into your account. Also, to unlock this feature, make sure your account is professional account. After your account is professional account, which is creator or business, simply open your messages. Hold on to the message which you want to unread. Then click on Mark as Unread, which is the third option. After you've done that, as you can see, it has been shown like it's unread. And this is how to mark messages unread on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.